Hello, Fofamit here, and today we're going to be talking about adding piercings to your avatar's face. This video is brought to you by Private Internet Access. Enjoy fast, secure web browsing from any country in the world. Click in the video description to learn more. So the first thing that you need to do is import your avatar, and what I actually like to do is I like to get all the textures on my avatar just so I have a clear picture of exactly what I'm working with, and it allows me to see how everything actually will place in the end. Adding facial accessories or piercings to your avatar's face can be pretty simple. Most of the time, all you have to do is click and drag it onto your avatar's face and kind of just place it where you want it to go. However, the main issue comes up is when you have to attach a piercing or accessory to a part of your avatar that moves, especially when it moves with something called a blend shape. So to start, once you place the ring, like we did earlier, merge everything together. Then, once everything is merged together, make sure that you merge your accessory. So in this case, it would be the rings. And since they're attached to the head, you merge it and attach it to the head of your avatar. And once it's attached, you separate by material, so you can get only the selection for the ring. Then what you need to do is go into edit mode, select the mesh of the ring or accessory that you need, then go into vertex. So what you're going to do is click plus sign, add a new vertex group, and assign the mesh vertices that you have selected to that vertex group, so you can easily select and deselect it when everything is merged together. A quick and easy explanation of what blend shapes are is essentially think of it like a slider toggle to allow some movement. So in this case, lip movement. How most avatars handle lip syncing is they actually do lip syncing by activating blend shapes of the mouth based on the sounds that your mouth makes. So when I make a sound like ah, ee, ooh, oh, like that, it activates different blend shapes. The issue with adding things to your avatar on places that have blend shapes is that those accessories won't be able to move with the blend shape unless you manually do it yourself. Now that everything is merged back together in edit mode, you can play with the blend shape settings. Usually these will be the vrchat lip sync settings that you see that have the different like SIL, SIL, OH, and so forth. So then all you need to do is move one of those mouth lip sync blend shapes from 0 all the way to 1, and then select the vertex group of the ring and then manually move it. Once it is moved, you can slide it back and forth to see the ring move with the mouth. Now make sure that you reset everything back to 0 once you apply the transformation of the ring or facial accessory, and then repeat this process for every other part, and then repeat this process for every other blend shape that's necessary. Then once you're done, what I like to do is I just like to double check all the blend shapes just to make sure that there's no like weirdness, or like to make sure that the ring is moving properly or your facial accessory is moving properly. And then all you have to do is just export it like you would normally and then bring it into Unity. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please be free to leave a comment down below. Bye bye!